Saqqara, our tour guide took us to these strange-looking buildings. Anyway, we went into a little alcove and he told us to listen. And I did try to record it, but the sound didn't come through. But when we went into the alcove, there was a very clear sound of what to me was a machine. And when we came out, we asked, well, what was that weird sound? And he said it was water underground. Some people said it sounded more like a heartbeat, but to me it was very clear. It was the rhythmic noise of a machine. I can't help but thinking that there is something still operating deep down under the sands of Saqqara.